All right, my friends. My friends, my friends, my friends. Happy, happy, happy. So here I am today. I did the ginger shot stuff. I'm doing my green shot stuff now. This is a way to detox my body. The first thing I want to talk about before I get into designing this beautiful sculpture drink, I want to talk about this product here. This is called Avena, or this is a company called Avena Originals. Probably the best product out there. It's the guy that started this company was a doctor from Harvard, actually, and a doctor and communicator and teacher. And he started drinking too much, got too loaded, and decided he had to lock himself in a hotel room down in, I think it was California or Texas or something. Basically, locked himself in and detoxed himself, and basically handed in all of his medical documents back to the College of Physicians and says, "I want nothing to do with your pharmaceutical crap no more." And he went fully into a company. He started this company. This is called Herb Cocktail Cleanse. You basically put it with a couple, like about 250 mils of orange juice at night before you go to bed, and I can guarantee you in 3 days you'll start having proper movements. I can guarantee you in like 2 weeks you'll start discharging stuff that coming out of your hoo hoo. It'll be white, it'll be green. You'll be seeing some colors come out of you like you would never believe and be ever seen. Um, it's amazing what happens. It basically promotes a peristaltic action in your lower colon and intestinal tract, right? It's that snake movement, right? The processed foods that we eat and the milk and the dairy and the butter, it sticks to the walls of your gut, and slowly over time, men do this, women do this. It's just the way men and women are built differently. But basically, it will tell you, and they're skinny up here. It will tell you that they might be eating and they might be eating properly, but they're just too backed up and they're not clean. You know, is it John Wayne? They took like 30 something pounds out of his intestine tract that was like processed garbage junk. Anyways, I've been taking this, and it definitely helps the colon. It definitely promotes uh, peristaltic action. So when you wake up, and man, I tell you, when you got to go, this is the other thing, right? Like people don't do this because they're too busy working. If you got to go poo, go poo. Don't say, "Oh, I can just wait for half an hour," because you can imagine all that stuff sitting there and wants to go out. And now you're telling your mind's going, "Oh, I've got an important meeting. I've got to hold it. Or I'll go sit down." And 5 minutes later, you forget about it. And then 6 hours later, after a nice steak at Cactus Club, you're like going, because it can't come out because everything's been backed up. So, ladies and gentlemen, when you got to go, just go. So, now that I got that off the table and out of this, wow, the things I talk about. I am unreal. This, my friends, the salt spinner. I know men come over to my house and they see me with this and they're like, "Andrew, what are you doing?" And I say, "I spin my greens, baby. I spin my greens." Anyway, the first thing we do is we got the kale. We get kale. Okay, the kale is I'm actually starting to grow kale. I'm not putting up with this crap anymore, because I don't want to. I don't think that it's like the best thing for me. Like this is like yellow inside, and I just don't really think it's compassionate to my body to be like buying this stuff. I don't understand people are busy, but this is what I say. People are busy. When I work with people that are going through disordered eating or body dysphoria, and they're like, "Oh, I can't eat like you do. You eat amazing. It must take you so much time." Well, actually, it just only takes about like 10 minutes tops. And then I've got all my food for the day, pretty much, or 2 days. If I make a little bit extra and I have a bigger machine, I bought the smaller machine when I moved out and got into a smaller place. But I actually am going to get the bigger machine. But here's the kicker: 10 minutes of your day. Okay, how many minutes in an hour? 60. How many hours in a day? 24. 24 times 60. Okay, how many minutes is that? Now, you're gonna say you don't have time to like pleasure your body 10 minutes out of how many minutes of the day? Come on, come on. Anyways, let me just give this a good shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. So this is my kale. I usually just put a whole bathinger in there. Whole bathinger. A whole bathinger. Ready? Watch. Shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. Baby. As I do that, I'm gonna get this ready. So make you sweat. I got the good vibrations. Hot tub. Make you want to make love tonight. Right, it's been a while since I've been making love. Maybe I should be like concentrating. Oh yeah, so that's how much water comes out of there. Okay, so this is my kale. Mm. Drop that baby in there. Oh, it's nice. It's always nice and fresh when you clean it. People, you gotta clean it a little bit. I like some stems in there too. So I'll give this another good shimmy, 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 shimmy it up. So this is my spinach. Popeye the Sailor Man. You know what's funny is before 1992, kale was only used to highlight food at the restaurant. So they'd put like a piece of chicken with some kale underneath. It was like just drop something on the floor. I got a broken back and a broken neck. Um, they didn't do anything with kale. And ever since '92, I mean, they've been kaleonopoly. There's like kale went. It didn't cost anymore to make kale, but kale became something that went from 40 cents to $4 overnight. But like I said, it didn't cost anymore. So the people that grow kale, they're making the money. Ready? Shimmy, shimmy, shake, shake. Oh, oh, it sounds different. Oh, oh my gosh! Holy smokers! I think the batteries are getting a little bit low on my Salton Sea. Sugar, sugar. Want some more water? All right, that's it for that. So this is my kale and spinach, and I just jam it in there. I don't give a. So that's what I do, friends. I do that. I got my knife. I got my knife. So I got my knife. I got my kale. I got my spinach, and then I got my mix master Mike. I miss my Mike friend. We had a bit of a disagreement about something, and I had to give that relationship up for a while. Anyways, soy. This is the one processed thing I do use. I don't drink milk. I don't drink tit of cow tit. I don't. That is why. Why would you do that? I'd rather do the vegetable thing. So, and I know this is probably loaded with sugar, carbohydrates 4%, sugar 6 grams. Yeah, I don't even really want to look at lots of salt. Actually, it's just more protein. It's just better than anything else to have on the market. So I just do this. I've been doing it for so long. I kind of I eyeball measurement everything mostly. Ready? Let's dance. Nothing like it. Nothing like it. My lamb, my lamb, my lamb, my lamb. My nice, my nice. That was amazing. Was that as good for you as it was for me? My little parent knife is so. you know, when you're good with the knives, you just get with the knives. God bless, I'm having some PTSI. Post-traumatic stress injury. Yes, I know I didn't say PTSD. PTSD and PTSI, there's a big difference, right? Injury or disorder. Shell shock. People that had shell shock from World War One, like they sit in the they sit in the tunnel for about 5 weeks, and there's just bombs going off, and then they come out, and then they shake for the next 20 years of their life. That's PTSD. Now, people have gone and taken this whole PTSD to a whole nother level. Oh, they saw someone pass away, so now they have PTSD. They don't. It's PTSI because you can really resolve a lot of your emotional issues as a result of counseling. But you got to find a counselor that's not afraid to tell you. I always loved that show with that lady that did the gambling, the casino, and what the heck was that movie called? Oh, it's a fantastic movie. Anyways, what happened is her dad is a psychologist, and he said, "Honey, I'm going to help you. I'm going to do what most psychologists will never do. Honey, I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to give you what apples on lime. Oh, it tastes so good. I'm going to give you the answers. Instead of doing 30 hours of counseling with you, I'm just going to run right through and tell you the truth." I love apple. I don't know where I was going with that. It's the apple and lime. Okay, my friends, that is fairly full. So, listen, there was 4 cups of kale, 4 cups of spinach, 3 cups of pea milk, an apple, a banana, a lime. The lime is for the kale. The kale needs the lime. I don't understand it. I just write about it. So I do it. I don't ask questions. And Cosgill strawberry. Cosgill strawberry. Cosgill strawberry. Strawberry of Cosgill. I feel good tonight. I feel so spicy. I'm not gonna put pineapple in it. I'll do that. I'll put some mango. Mango will slow me down. So there's like 2.5 cups there. Strawberries, mango. My friends, we're just about done. Don't worry, you won't have to listen to me much longer. Mm. Okay, my friends, I'm done. This is what I eat all day. Pretty much, this is what I eat. I eat this for breakfast. I eat this for lunch. I eat this for dinner. Now, sometimes, I do actually every dinner. So this is all I eat. That's it. I wake up in the morning, I have a half a cup of oatmeal with blueberries, apples, bananas, cinnamon, whole cinnamon, raw cinnamon. I mix that up and put that in. I eat that for breakfast. That's what I have. By 11 o'clock in the morning, I get up about 5:30 in the morning every day. By about 11 o'clock in the morning, if I'm feeling a little bit laggy, well, I've got an espresso machine to perk me up. So I have, I say perk me up, perk me up. Whoa, that was wrong language. Anyways, pep me up. I have a little bit of caffeine. And then I'm eating this all day, all night. It's like unbelievable. I have this really cool mug from Costco. Yep, I do. And then I have that like that. No, sorry. Just 2 minutes. Someone's coming into the kitchen. I'm almost done. I'll be done in 2 minutes. And that's it, folks. That is mystery green. I don't want you to drink it. I don't want you to get healthy, friends. I don't want you to get in shape. I want you to stay sitting there on the couch thinking, wow, that only took that guy 10 minutes. And if he's laughs like this is how good my energy is. Well, mind you, I have a nice tub too. You know what's funny is I can taste the lime, the banana, the mango. Can't taste the strawberry. I can taste the kale, spinach a little bit. Oh, they're awesome. And then what I do with this is I'll drink a little bit of this, and then I'll put a little bit of protein powder, some strawberry or some chocolate, protein powder. I will let you know in the link. Protein powder. No, I'm not selling nothing. I'm just selling good looks. If you want to call me and you need some help, you can reach out to me. The links are somewhere. You have to find them. I'm not going to show them to you. You got to work in life. Anyways, my friends, this is my life. This is my greening. This is my other greening. And I am out of here.